Namaste. Welcome back to Wholesome Living Through Food, a collaboration between home cooking and yoga and you. Today we are making a very soothing and nourishing carrot ginger soup inspired by Ayurveda. It's comforting on cooler days, especially after yoga practice or any time you want to have something healing and easy to digest. So let's get started. For the carrot ginger soup, add 3 teaspoons of ghee. Once the pan is heated, add 1 large onion finely chopped. Next, add 1-inch piece of ginger finely chopped. Saute the onion and ginger first. After 2 minutes, add 1 medium-sized potato chopped. Keeping the flame on medium, cook this for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm adding 5 large carrots chopped. So we are adding the potato to give the carrot soup a nice creamy texture. After about 2 to 3 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything well. So adding all this seasoning will make the soup all the more tastier. Continue to cook the carrots for another 2 to 3 minutes, keeping the flame on medium. Next, add 1 liter of water to cook the vegetables. Once the liquid comes to a good rolling boil, just give it a gentle mix. Close the pan and let this cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, let's check on the vegetables. The vegetables are cooked. Turn off the stove and cool the mixture completely. Transfer the prepared soup into a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine puree. So you can see we've got this beautiful carrot puree. Transfer the blended soup to a saucepan. So I'm just going to dilute this a little bit to get the right consistency. I'm adding roughly about 1 cup of water. Let this simmer for about 5 minutes on medium flame. So you can check for seasoning at this point and add a little salt and pepper if you like. Add the lemon juice after turning off the stove. Look at that golden, silky smooth carrot ginger soup. This gorgeous carrot ginger soup is ready. You can enjoy it nice and hot. This batch of soup is good enough for about 6 adults. Well, it's time to enjoy this golden and creamy carrot ginger soup. Wow! It's got the perfect balance of carrot, ginger. It's so wholesome and extremely soothing. I'm definitely going to finish this bowl right after I talk to you guys. If you'd like to see more warm and wholesome recipes, don't forget to drop a comment. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy and stay nourished.